In this video, I intend to synchronize two drives using the high-speed input-output of the drive. For example, the frequency. I plan to control the frequency of two drives together in a master-slave configuration using the high-speed input-output of the drive. Stay with me as we go through the wiring and effective settings together. Before I start explaining the wiring and bore you, let me talk about these parameters. See, when you want to control two drives in a peer-to-peer manner using master-slave, and high-speed inputs like now, and if you want to adjust the input-output gains, what should we do? First, we go to the output. Regarding the worldly sayings, the first thing you adjust is the frequency. Look at parameter group 6 to 11, which I entered. Set the FM auto selector to 1 to set the frequency. This means my high-speed output is set to frequency mode. What do you do with the second drive? For the second drive, it's enough to go into the frequency settings, adjust the frequency input parameter, set it to parameter 0.6, and then set it to 8. We set it, and see how it works. Now, how is the wiring done? If you don't know these wirings or the drives, you can either control the boards or not. Look, these terminals are for commands. I have a high-speed output because my analog output is shared. There's one high-speed input and one 24V input. It's enough for the first drive. Take it from this terminal to our second drive into HDI and 24V and connect both drives together. There's one more thing left here. We have a jumper here, and we saw that two terminals are shared, the analog output and the high-speed output. This jumper, which is labeled analog output 2 at the top, you remove it from this jumper and connect it to the other one. And just like that, we can master the drives together easily. Up to this point, the groundwork is laid. Without a doubt, if you can say it, you deserve a prize.